Hi students, I hope now you understand the meaning of the word an adjective. An adjective describes a noun. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. Brave is an adjective describing or adding meaning to the noun boy. There are 20 boys in the class. So 20 describes boys. How many boys are there in the class? So these words are called adjectives. Here are some things adjectives help us to express. First one is physical and other qualities. For example, purple blouse, square plot, plot in the sense land that is in square shape. This describes the physical or quality. Enormous parcel, very big parcel. What sort of weather? Pleasant weather, nice weather, very hot weather. These words like purple, square, enormous, pleasant, all these describe the physical quality, physical or other qualities of nouns. So they are also called adjectives. Perceptions, attitudes, or opinions. Difficult problem, wonderful surprise. These all talk about opinions of the noun. Attitude or perceptions, one's views of any noun. The third one is degree or extent. It's a total waste. Total is an adjective. Probable victory. This may not have happened, but it is probable, possible, probably, maybe. The fourth one is frequency. Frequency usually talks about time, like weekly or monthly or daily, yearly, all those. Yearly conference. Annual, again, once a year. Rainfall. Every year it happens. Annual rainfall. Location or place, where it is situated. External area. Suburban rail. Suburban in the sense outskirt, means outside the city it travels. Suburban rail. So these are the things that adjectives help us to express. Form of adjectives, next we are going to see. While the form of the adjective does not change with the noun it describes, we use special forms when we compare two or more things. The comparative or the superlative forms of many adjectives take the ER or EST forms. For example, large, larger, largest. Big, bigger, biggest. The same way. Typically, longer adjectives take more and most. For example, meritorious. Meritorious is an adjective. It is more meritorious or most meritorious. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You cannot say beautifuler, beautifulest. No. If the adjective has more than two syllables, like beautiful, three syllable it is. So meritorious, this is four syllable word, and therefore it will take more and most. Nouns as adjectives we are going to see. Many nouns double up. Sometimes nouns take the form of adjectives. In noun phrase it comes like cricket match, cricket may take both the place, noun as well as adjective. Cotton saree. Cotton may take the place of noun. It may be used as a noun as well as adjective. Tomato soup. Here, when you talk about tomato separately, then it would take the place of noun. Here it is an adjective. Education sector. Education alone would be a noun, but here it is considered as an adjective. Adventure sports. Adventure alone would be a noun. So these nouns, these words take the form of adjectives as well as nouns. It depends on the places and how we use. Now we are going to see the position of adjectives. We can place the adjective before the noun or as a complement after a verb. Attributive and predicative adjectives. What are they? Attributive and attributive adjectives are placed before the noun. For example, the whale is the largest mammal, largest animal. So it is used just before the noun. Largest is an adjective, mammal is a noun. This kind of adjective is called attributive adjective. This is an empty nest. Nest is a noun. Before nest, the word empty is an adjective. So this is attributive adjective. Predicative adjective is usually placed after, at the end of the sentence, or placed as complement after verbs such as be, get, become, seem, appear, sound, etc. So be form verb is or are, was, were, and so on. So this nest is empty. So after be verb is empty is used. So it is predicative adjectives. That sounds lovely. Okay, the word sound they have already given for the example. That sounds lovely. Lovely here plays the role of adjective. So it is predicative adjective. There are specific adjectives that we can only use before the noun. What are they? Noun adjectives like chess tournament. Tournament of chess, no, should not use. Chess tournament is the correct way of using. Some adjectives of place and degree. Inner, outer, upper, lower, main, principal. These are adjectives of place and degree. The lower tier. The tier is lower. No, we should not use the lower tier. The principal cause. We cannot use the cause is principal. No, the principal cause. So they are adjectives of place and degree. Similarly, there are some adjectives that we can only use predicatively. For example, adjectives prefixed by a, alive, asleep, like. For example, the twins are alike. Alike, the word is called adjective prefixed. Alike, using a plus like, alike. So it is prefixed. When you add any word or two before a word and join together, it makes another word. So a plus like is equal to alike. The twins are alike. Alike is here adjective prefixed. We should not use they are alike twins. No. The twins are alike. They look like the same. They look similar. Some feeling and health words. For example, glad, pleased, well, ill. These are to express, these all take place of adjectives. The teacher is pleased. The teacher is pleased with the student's performance. That's what it means. So the teacher is pleased, is very happy. So pleased takes the form of adjective. We cannot use she is a pleased teacher. No. So they come at the end of a sentence. Let's look at the example, the exercise A. We need to underline the adjectives in these sentences. The climate here is warm, dry, and healthy. So, warm, dry, healthy, these all are adjectives which describe or add meaning to the climate, what kind of climate it is. The next one is I have a message for John, which is urgent and important. Here the adjectives would be urgent, important. So underline urgent, important. The third one, I want to live where there is equal respect for men and women. The word equal modifies the noun respect, so it is an adjective. Equal should be underlined. The fourth one, the room was small, dark, and dingy. The small, dark, dingy, these are adjectives you can underline. By the time we reached home, Shruti was already asleep. Asleep again is an adjective. Slowly, steadily, relentlessly means all these words are almost similar. Like slowly, when you walk slowly, steadily, you are straight, upright, steady, with balance. Relentlessly, without hesitating. Okay, not just dragging your feet. The marathon runner ran. Slowly, steadily, relentlessly, these are adverbs. Marathon runner. Marathon, what sort of runner? Marathon runner. So the marathon can be an adjective here in this sentence. Builders are erecting a platform on the main stage. Where? Main stage. So here main is an adjective, stage is a noun. Main, the word main describes the noun stage. So main is an adjective. Since he is writing his final exams next week, we wished him good luck. Good is an adjective, so you have to underline. And here this can be for your homework today. Here is a price list of various television sets. Write sentences to compare them using the adjectives given in the box. They have given few adjectives in the box like costly, expensive, good, less, more, and so on. So you are going to use these words in the sentence and form sentences. Write at least 2 sentences for each television set. They have already given about television. Television is costlier because television costs 11,115. Wish News costs 8,900. Lifeline costs 9,900. Akihito costs 10,515. So television is costlier or more expensive than the other 3 television sets. Here costlier and more be an adjective. When you compare or when you write superlative form, it is adjective. So television, so it's not television, tonovision. Tonovision is costlier or more expensive than the other 3 television sets, and the same tonovision is the costliest. You can write this one because it is the costliest set, television set, or more expensive, most expensive set. If you take any other television set, for example, Akito. Akito is costlier than Wisnu's television set. So Akito is costlier than Wisnu's television set. This can be one sentence. So you take each television set and make two sentences using the words adjectives given in the box. If you have any doubts about it, we can discuss in the group. Thank you.